Hello friends, today I am playing the new activity King of Burgers. You can get these products from different crops, and new customer is on the way after 40 seconds. It will be fresh after 15 minutes. So we are going to get the ingredients. So we can get the ingredients by harvesting these crops. You can see these ingredients are collecting. We can also collect these ingredients by animals and machines. So you can clearly see here we have collected these ingredients. So now I am going to treat these customers. So first is here this one and this one, so easy. The next one is here. So we have treat 2 customers. And the next thing is that if you forgot how to make, for example, this we made bad, so we cannot treat this, then you can waste it. We have thrown away. Now we are making again we are making, and we are treating. So we have treated successfully. A new customer is on the way after 15 minutes. We can get these rewards by treating the customers. These are the wonderful rewards here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for latest updates and missions.